is continuously waving to the devotees who have gathered on this side of the ghat as well, and on the opposite side, that is the Sangam Ghat. Now, that is where the main Mahakumbh area is. He directly did not go to that side. In fact, he came to the VIP side, and he will take the bath, and he will quickly leave this area so that the people do not face any issues. So there you can see the boat that the Prime Minister has embarked upon. He, along with the Chief Minister, are present on that boat. In just some time, he will be taking a holy dip. He has been waving to the devotees, and in fact, what we are witnessing on my side of the ghat is that people are keenly looking at the Prime Minister, keenly tracking his the movement of his boat, waving back to him. On the other hand side, you can see the Sangam Ghat as well. So in just some time, the Prime Minister will be getting off that boat. He will take the holy dip as he did in 2019 as well. Then he will do some rituals with the help of the saints that are going with him, and then he will do the Ganga Aarti right there. So that area you can see right now in the visuals for the clarity of the viewers, that is the Sangam, and that is where the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati meet, and that is a very, very significant point. That is where all the devotees who come to Mahakumbh Mela, they go to, they take the holy dip. And today is the 24th day of the Mahakumbh Mela, and on the 24th day, what we're witnessing in the visuals is the Prime Minister is here. He, along with the Chief Minister, will shortly take a holy dip. They will do the Ganga Puja and also rituals, and also pray for the countrymen.
And you were taking us to the significance, of the Prime Minister's visit. We can see those visuals. The Prime Minister about to take that holy dip in about a few minutes from now on. He's, I believe, at the ghat. Take us through what we can expect next. The Prime Minister, has he reached the ghat? When's the holy dip expected, Kantra?
Well, you see, the Prime Minister has gotten off the boat, as we can see in the visuals. He, in fact, took a boat from the VIP ghat to the Sangam area. Now, in the visuals, we can see is that he has gotten off the boat. He will now take the holy dip. Then he will do certain rituals as he did in 2019 with the help of the saints. And after that, he will do the Ganga Puja along with the Chief Minister there in the pictures as well. Now, the last time he was here, he also went to Akshay Vat, which is on the other side of this particular ghat that is part of the Mahakumbh Mela. He went to the Akshay Vat area. He also went to Hanumanji Ke Mandir. But this time, just so that people do not face any sort of issue and there is not and restriction and hindrance to the people, he has decided that he will only come to the VIP ghat. He will take a boat, go to the Sangam area without giving any difficulty to any of the devotees who have come here, and directly after taking the holy dip, head back. So the program of the Prime Minister here is of just another 1 hour. He will do all the rituals, the holy dip, the Ganga Aarti in those 1 hour, and without going into the Mahakumbh area, he will directly go back to the national capital is what we are learning. But definitely the visit is quite significant. Today is the 24th day of the Mahakumbh Mela. 21 more days are to go before it ends. Until now, 40 crore people have already taken the holy dip. There were 3 Amrit Snan which have already concluded. So definitely the crowd has also come down in as far as the number on the other side of that ghat, so that people do not face any hindrance. So the program of the Prime Minister is just to take the holy dip, to do the rituals, pray for the countrymen, and then do the Ganga Aarti, and then completely head back. The last time, as I was mentioning, he was here was 2 months back, when he had launched several projects related to the Mahakumbh Mela and Prayagraj to boost the infra of this city, and also to make sure that there is a seamless connectivity with Prayagraj, be it with Varanasi or Ayodhya, because whosoever comes to Prayagraj also goes to Ayodhya for Ramji Ke Darshan, and also to Varanasi for to Mahadev's temple, and that is why the connectivity is quite important. And last time he was here, he had launched several projects amounting to 5,500 crore rupees just for the people of are coming to to the Mahakumbh area, and that is why his visit is also very important. Today is the 24th day. He is here. In fact, he has gotten off the boat. In just some time, he will be taking the holy dip. He will then do certain rituals as he did the last time, and then he will also do the... And in the last 1 month, we've been seeing high-profile visits to the Mahakumbh area, especially to this particular ghat. Firstly, by the Chief Minister, then secondly, by the Chief Minister, along with this entire cabinet. The entire cabinet was here. They took the holy dip there, and a week later, Amit Shah, along with his family, several saints, they were also here, and they took the holy dip. Now, what we're learning in another few days, the President is also going to be here to take the holy dip. She will also do the Ganga Aarti. But today, on 5th of February, on the 24th day of the Mahakumbh Mela, the Prime Minister is here. He has gotten off the boat. He will take the holy dip. 11 dips today in the Sangam area, that is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati that you can see on the screen. That particular area is where all these three rivers meet, and it is considered to be very significant, and anyone who comes to Mahakumbh area goes to the Sangam area to take the holy dip, and it is believed that whosoever takes dip, they get relieved from the moksha, is what is being said about taking a dip at the Sangam Ghat. So the Prime Minister along with the Chief Minister are there right now. They will be doing the holy dip. They will be doing certain rituals, praying for the countrymen, and then finally Ganga Puja, and then directly they will head back.